Do you ever feel like you're playing a game, but no one gave you the rulebook? You see other people succeeding, and you're just trying to figure out the controls? For most of us, that game is life. But what if I told you that the rulebook exists, and that by learning just a few core mechanics, you can stop feeling like a passenger and start feel like you're playing with purpose? In this video, I'm going to show you how. Welcome back to Eunoia Bloom. The word Eunoia means beautiful thinking, and it's the key to leveling up every aspect of your life. Now, when you hear beautiful thinking, you might think it's just about being positive or ignoring problems, and that's not what it's about. It's about intentionally building a mental operating system that allows you to navigate challenges with clarity and skill. So today, we're installing that operating system, and it involves 3 fundamental steps. The first step is to become the observer. Right now, you might feel like your thoughts and emotions control you. If you feel anger, you are angry. If you have a negative thought, you are negative. The first skill is to create a small space between you, the real you, and your thoughts. Think of it like watching clouds pass in the sky. You are not the clouds, you are the sky. You can simply observe them as they drift by without getting swept away. This small shift gives you immense power. It's the starting point for conscious choice. Once you can observe your thoughts, the second step is to identify your filters. We all see the world through a set of invisible filters, or mental models. These are the beliefs and assumptions that you've built up over your entire life. Maybe you have a filter that tells you, "I'm not good enough," or "I always fail at this." These filters color every experience you have. The goal here isn't to judge them, it's simply to recognize that they exist, to ask, what filter am I seeing this situation through right now? Becoming aware of the lens is the only way to ever consciously change it. And that brings us to our third and most crucial step, choose your framework. This is where you stop being a passive player in the game and become the designer. If you know your old filters aren't serving you, you can intentionally choose new ones. This is where the 5 core values I talked about in our first video came into play. By choosing a framework built on values like personal growth and leadership, you give yourself a new system for making decisions. You are consciously choosing the rules by which you want to live. This is the essence of beautiful thinking. So let's recap the game plan. 1, you become the observer of your thoughts. 2, identify the filters you're using. And 3, choose a new framework to live by. This is how you level up your life. Not by chance, but by design. You stop being a character stuck on autopilot and become the player in control. If you're ready to start building your own framework, the Eunoia Compass worksheet is the perfect tool to define the values you want to live by. It's a free download, and the link is right at the top of the description below. And if this video gave you a new way to think, click like to let me know, and subscribe to the channel for more practical guides to beautiful thinking. I'll see you in the next one.